watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a fox. I'm really excited. Hope you guys are as well. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, you should go subscribe right now. Awesome. Well, a few supplies that we'll need, as always, is a blank piece of paper and a Sharpie or pencil to draw with. Now, the markers that we'll need today include a bright orange, a tan, a rose pink, and lastly, we will need a dark brown. Well, I think we can do really great on this. Let's go try to draw a fox. Let's see what we can come up with. For the first step of drawing a fox, we're going to make one squiggle line from the left side of the page. Then we will make one more on the right side. Now we're going to make the fur going from the left side all the way over to the right side, and it's going to connect to that right squiggle line that we just made. Great, now the next step is to make the fox's really big ears. Now we're going to make one line coming down, which will be the beginning of the torso for the fox. Now we're going to make a really big furry tail going across the page. This will be placed right below the fox's torso. Now we're going to make another line coming down next to the one that we made earlier. And one more line on this side coming down that will connect to the tail. On the left side, we're going to bring one line down, which will be the fox's other arm. On each arm, we're going to add a little bit of a pattern that we'll end up coloring in brown later on in the video. Awesome, now we're going to begin to add some detail to the fox's face. We will make one line going from left to right. Now in the middle below the line we made, we're making the fox's nose. Now we're going to make the fox's eyes. Above each eye, we're going to make an eyebrow. Inside of each eye, now we're going to make the pupil.